Welcome friends to Autocad tutorial part 11. Today we will learn layers. A layer is like an overlay on which you keep various type of information. Suppose in a floor plan of a building, you want to keep the walls, ceiling, plumbing fixtures, wiring and furniture separate so that you can display or plot them separately or combine them in different ways. You also want to keep notes and reference symbols on their own layer as well as dimensions. As your drawing becomes more complex, these different layers can be turned on and off to allow easier display and modification. We will learn this in our layers, which is a command in Autocad. The command is LA. Here we have opened a layer window by pressing LA in the command prompt. The layer window is showing the new layer. The new layer will be frozen in all viewports, delete layer and set current layer. Here they have also given the shortcut keys. If we want to create a new layer, the shortcut key is Alt+N. By clicking on it, it will create a new layer and assign it as the current layer. In effect, a combination of new and set. The layer is initially set on and drawing takes place in color 7 with a continuous line type. Let us see how to do this. As I have clicked on new layer, it has opened a new layer here. Here I will type the layer name. Let's say it's object. We can set it on and off. Is showing that whether the layer is displayed or not. Turning a layer off helps to control the clutter on the screen. For example, if you might turn off the layer and then if you will see its object, it will not show it there on the screen. As I have set off this layer, wall layer, it was not showing the walls, and as I am on it, it is showing the walls in our drawing area. Here again, if I will off the layer of wall, it will set it off and will not show. The current layer is the dotted one, which is the projection of this window. Let us now try to turn off the window like this, and it has turned it off, and by turning it on it will display it once again. The current layer, which is 0, has 3 objects here in this window. As I have turned it off, it was not showing here. Now because it is on, it is showing it. The second option after turn it on and off is freeze. If we will freeze it, again the window will not get shown, and by turn it on, it will be displayed. The next option is for lock and unlock a layer. If we will lock it, we will not be able to change anything in that object or in that drawing, so that accident changes are delayed or can be prevented. We can see the color of a layer. This is the way to create layer. There are some more properties of layer that we will learn in our next session. Thank you.